G'day Comrade subscribers. I thought I'd try something a little different. I thought I'd see if ChatGPT can teach me how to program on the VIC-20. So I've got the VIC-20, the Retro Games version. I don't know what emulator it's running. I tried to find out, but I couldn't find it. But so I've got that set up, capturing the output on the computer. So I'll see how I go. Okay, here we go. Got to be polite. Please write a Commodore VIC-20 program to animate, alright, just say to bounce a ball around the screen. Okay. So I've done this a couple of times and I get a different answer each time. Okay. So that's poke x plus y times 22 plus 1024. So, okay, so y, the initial offset is y equals 10, so 220, so 235. So just going to look in Vic Revealed by Nick Hampshire. He's got, that's in blocks 0. So 235, so 235 is the screen line table, which is 217 to 241. So 235 is in that, but then we're adding 1024. So 235, so what, 1259? 1259, where does that go? 1259 is in the 3K RAM expansion area, which is empty. There is no RAM there. So that's not going to work, is it? Okay, so when additional memory is added to block 1 and 2 and 3, the kernel relocates the following things for BASIC. So screen memory is from 4096 to 4607. But oh yeah, so screen memory. Screen memory is 7680 to 8191. So that's nowhere near where it should be. All this is going to do is corrupt. Well, let's power it on. So what does it say? Here we go. So line 80 draws the ball at its current position by poking a character, ASCII 219, a solid block, into the VIC-20 screen memory. But I think that's not the screen memory though. It's just making shit up, isn't it? All right, let's give it a try. I wanted to go here, switch to classic mode. Okay, so let's type away. Let's do the rems and everything. Rem, bouncing ball. 20, rem, initialize variables, 30, x equals 15, y equals 10, and then 40, we do the direction, dx equals 1, dy equals 1. I could have all gone on the same line. Okay, 50. Color 1, 0. Okay, and then we're okay. For I equals 1024 to 2023. Poke I 0. Okay, we're clearing some RAM. Next I. Poke I 0, next I, okay, line 60, and, whoop, did I do that right? Did I? Rem, main loop, okay, so what I've got so far, okay, 70, print character dollar, 147, AT, alright, X plus Y times 22 plus 1024, 219. Print character, okay. What does it say? Line 70, prints ASCII code 147, which clears the screen. Okay, so we clear the screen. Okay, all right. I've just noticed I've got an error. List line 80 again. Poke X plus Y time. Okay, yep. So if we go 1024. I should have. That was the problem. Okay, right, 90. Now we move the ball plus dx, y equals y plus dy. And then if we hit our extremities, if x equals 1 or x equals 22, then we change direction. 1, 0, y equals 1, or y equals 23, or y equals 10. Y equals 10. Thought it should be 23 lines. Alright. Gotta learn, I guess. Okay, equals 10. Then dy equals minus dy. Okay, 120. For t equals 1 to 200. Next t. 130, we go back to line 80. Okay. I am quite dubious about this. All fits on one screen, 10, 20, 30. Oops. 40, dx, dy, 50 color, 10. 1024. What's 1024? 1024 is also the RAM expansion area. What the? It's the it's the 3K of RAM that sits in block 0. That's not there. Okay, that's not going to work, is it? Alright, okay, so we're basically clearing, okay, rem main loop, print character 147, so that clears the screen apparently. Okay, then we basically move. I don't know about this y equals 10. Alright, let's run it. Syntax error in 50, yeah, okay. That's that color 50 statement. for I equals 1, for I equals 1024 to poke I 0. Okay. So let's tell syntax error in line 50. My apologies. Seems I made an error in the syntax. You're making this shit up as you go. So you're getting rid of the colour, basically. So the program will correctly clear the screen. I don't think so. Oh, well, not that I'm an expert. I'm learning, which is scary, isn't it? ChatGPT is teaching me. Okay, so let's get rid of that. Just double check. Alright. And it hangs. Oh no. What's it doing? Cleared the screen. Is it actually doing anything? Press run stop. Break in 120. So it didn't actually do anything. Well, because, well, I didn't think it was going to. I did say I didn't think it was going to do anything. Let's see what happens. So the program didn't display any ball. So now it wants to change. Wants to poke character 32. So you change the position so it's closer to the center of the screen. Okay, so we've got x equals 10. I'm still not sure about this, although, like I say, I'm learning. But also this, I thought, change the character code from 219 to 143 for the ball. So pet scheme. Did we? Oh, yeah, 143. Okay. So let's go back. So line 30. Oops. Line 30 wants us to start there. All right. Line 50. It wants us to poke 32 in here. This is where I'd do on the Nokia equipment. I'd go Control A to insert 32. Oh no, Shift insert. Shift insert delete. Ah, there we go. I am learning. Okay, poke I 32. Next I. Will that work? Okay. 60, 70, and we want to do line 80, 143. So, well, let me just do this, 143. I'm not sure. Let's list 80 again. Oh, okay, it did work, okay. 143, and I think everything else is the same. Go to 70. Oh, so it wants us to... No, that was... didn't mention that, did it? Going back to where we clear the screen. Okay. All right, let's try that again. Still don't think it's going to do it because why we? Because the way block 0 is laid out is that the first 1K is basic variables. Yeah, we've got basic variables or 1K RAM. 1K RAM, then we've got 3K of expansion RAM, which is missing. And then we've got 4K of actual physical RAM. And then the screen RAM, 1DFF to 1FFF. Oh, okay, undefined statement in error in 130. Huh? God knows what's happened to our program. Yeah. It's all gone weird. All right. What should we do next? Okay. I don't think line 50 is correct. The poke is for memory locations and the 3 kilobyte expansion RAM area, which doesn't have any RAM, which isn't active. I don't know. You are correct. Okay. But it hasn't changed line 50. You are correct, I apologise. We need to clear the screen using the correct memory locations in the VIC-20's video memory. Let's correct the program accordingly. So it's still doing line 50. It's still doing the same. It's exactly the same. It hasn't changed it at all. It's the same. Line 50 now correctly clears the screen. It's exactly the same. It doesn't. And I've adjusted the X and Y coordinates to make sure the ball is within the visible area of the screen. 40 columns by 25 rows. Hey? No, what? That's not right. The VIC-20 screen. What is it? It's is it 22 by 23 or something? Sorry, I should know this. I don't know it off the top of my head. That's why I'm learning. Does it say anywhere here quickly? No, it'll be somewhere. Sorry, let me just check this quickly and I'll skip ahead. Screen RAM, 115. Looking in the VIC-20 Programmer's Reference Guide now. .115, yeah. Yeah, 1024 is the expansion RAM area. Screen RAM. Alright. Screen RAM area is at memory location, I'll do it in decimal, screen RAM 7680 to 8192, or should it be 8191? Stop apologising, man. Oh, okay, so now it's doing that. Oh, it's now also corrected that. Oh, okay, that's what the 40's for. Okay. So that's wrong as well. Oops. The VIC-20's screen size is... yes, I know I should know it. Maybe I should ask ChatGPT. What's the size of the VIC-20? Is it 20, 22? It's slightly taller than it is. Okay, that's what I thought, is 22 columns by 23 rows. All right, let's. God knows. You reckon it's enough just to do a new, or should I just? Let's just restart the whole thing. Okay. It's 9 PM now, so this is just going to be the first part. Okay, let's go back. Okay, type the whole thing out again, and maybe we'll speed through it this time. Okay, last attempt for tonight. Let's see. Oh! I still don't see any bouncy ball. Where are we? Breaking 120. So we're definitely... So I think we're almost getting there, but we're not seeing anything. So... So I assume that was line 50 just then. I think maybe line 80 is still wrong. Maybe it's... Maybe. But at least it's not... I don't think it's corrupting anymore. That's the main thing. Yeah, okay. All right. So I think... What do you think? It was kind of interesting. It's been about half an hour now. Although longer for me. Stop, start. Before I figure out how to do it all. Yeah. So ChatGPT and I have still a little bit of learning to do. So we'll continue this on later, I think. No doubt people will tell me in the comments what the issue is, which is great. Then I can tell ChatGPT what the issue is, and then maybe it'll get the program right. Okay. Till next time. Bye for now.